Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all had a beautiful holiday, and if you want to see how I created this everyday natural makeup look, then just keep on watching. Oh, and mind you, I didn't use foundation, so come on, let's do it. Here we are. Today is the 28th, and Christmas was just a couple of days ago, and I hope you all enjoyed your holiday. I hope you had a Merry Christmas for those who celebrated, because I have people in my family who don't celebrate Christmas, but I celebrate Christmas. So me and my kids, we celebrate Christmas. Speaking of kids, I have 4 children, and they are 5, 3, and 4 months. My little baby just turned 4 months, and as you can see, little baby blanket there, a little baby swing there, and I breastfed all of my kids, and I'm having like a tough time with this one, breastfeeding him, because he just stopped taking bottles out of the blue, you guys. Like, he stopped taking bottles out of the blue, and he just want the milk straight from the source. That just make things so much harder to do around the house with my other 2 toddlers, but some way, somehow, I have been making it work. It's very stressful, very, very stressful, I cannot lie, because I'm trying to do everything with a baby attached to me, but I eventually get the job done. So to, I guess, like, de-stress and like, I guess, like, make myself happy and get out of the funk, I just like to come and do my makeup. It works. So yeah, I was in nursing school while I was pregnant, and accelerated nursing program when I got pregnant, and then I just got super duper sick, you guys, and I had to go on break. So I am on break from nursing school, but I'm also afraid to put my kids in daycare, so I don't know how that's gonna work out. They have never been in daycare. They've always stayed home, or I always have somebody in the family watch them, but my grandmom passed away. I also have a 16-year-old, and her grandma was very active in both of our lives, and then she passed away. And then everybody else in my family is just like super, super busy, and they got kids, and they just got their own thing going on, and I like got trust issues, so I don't know what I'm gonna do, you guys. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but I have faith that everything is gonna work out for me, because it always does. I just never know what's gonna happen, and that's life, and it's okay. And I learned that if you keep a positive attitude and keep your surrounding positive, then you'll have a positive outcome. So I'm waiting on my positive outcome, you guys. Anyway, we're not going nowhere, so let's ditch the foundation and use this instant age rewind. It's an instant age rewind eraser, and it just says treatment makeup, and I guess it's like sunscreen or something, I'm not sure, but whatever. Let's use this to see how much coverage we can get, and This is my first time using it. Sometimes I just like go shopping, like makeup shopping, and then just pick up stuff that I think I'm gonna need or I think I'm gonna use. I don't even remember why I picked this up, but I got it, so let's use it. It's not foundation, you guys, so I don't know what it is. I don't like a lot of makeup on my forehead either. And we're using a beauty blender today. Like I said, we ain't going nowhere. We just talking. We are just talking. So it's like a sheer coverage. Usually makeup with sunscreen in it, it usually have like a white cast. You already know how sunscreen do. So it kind of looks like, well, it don't kind of look like, but I'm definitely seeing a white cast. All right, you guys, we are like, we got like a little white cast on us. Yes, we do, because whatever that is, it definitely got a lot of sunscreen in it, but it do have like a little bit of coverage. It did cover up. Yeah, it covered up a little bit. It's okay. It's all right. So we gonna go and put like some warmth in it, you know, put our powders on top and everything. But before I do that, let me go check on my kids because it sounds like they having a little bit too much fun. Like I said, Christmas just passed. They got some new toys and baby, they have been going crazy, okay? The noise has been on ridiculous. All right, so be right back. Look who woke up, you guys. Hey, hey, hey. Say hi, guys. Say subscribe to my mommy channel. Subscribe to my mommy channel. I don't know, y'all. I need to find me like a super lightweight foundation because I just haven't been liking foundation really. Like on special occasions, you know, like a birthday or something like that. Yeah, just so that I can look like super bomb in pictures, but that's it, honestly. You might hear my kids playing around a lot in this video, but we just vibing, you guys. Just vibing and talking. But if you do have any questions about makeup or something like that, just leave it in the comment section below and I will answer it for you. So today, you guys, I skipped the underpainting technique, you know, with the cream bronzer and liquid blush and everything. Skip that part, and we are just going to solely do powder because we are cooking dinner and doing cleaning and everything around the house, and I have oily skin, so I like to use more powders than I like to use liquids and creams. So with that being said, let's put some color back into our face. Let's just put some warmth back into our skin like so. So we a little brown again, period. All right, you guys, so our base is looking nice and flawless irregardless of the white cast that makeup was giving me. I don't even know what to call it at this point. I don't even know what to call it at this point. So we are going to do something basic with our eyes. I'm going to take the Color Rain Queen of Hearts palette and let's apply some shadow. A little brown on the outer corner won't hurt. Let's brighten up the eyes some by putting some white in our inner corner. I'm actually gonna do my eyes off camera, but that's because I gotta check on my baby again. So do my eyes off camera and I'll be right back. All right, guys, so I didn't even do much. I just put on some mascara, you know, my favorite Maybelline mascara, and let's just bronze up with the Juvia's Place palette. Juvia's Place bronzing palette in tan. Just get a little color. Just get a little color in our skin. And this is literally like a real quick, it's like a real quick everyday makeup look, like just to enhance your natural look and your natural features that you already have. And then it's pretty decent. Like I said, I love looking snatched and looking like I have a filter on, and I don't have to use a lot of products to achieve that look. Warm that up a little bit. Let's do a little snatching just to clean it up. Snatch our nose a little bit. This. I got a brush that I use that I specifically use to snatch my nose, but can't find it right now, so let's use this. Some days I'll just be using anything. I'm not gonna lie. So I don't even know. This is given a cheap Amazon brush. Let's just go in and blend that in with our face powder so we don't see them harsh lines. And let's wipe this off. I love when that crispy line come out like that. Yes. Ugh. Makeup just make me so happy. And let's put on some blush. A little bit on our nose, just a little bit. And then every time I mess up on a blush and put too much, I just calm it down with my face powder, like so. All right, you guys, so the blush is on. It's nice and it's pretty. Now let's do a little highlighter and let our hair down so we can go fry this chicken. Okay, the family is waiting. I'm just gonna grab this hard candy highlighter. It looks like this, and I got this from Target. I think I got it from Target. There's something white. Tip of the nose. Boop, boop. Other side. Let's go up some. Cupid's bow. Like that. Just a little bit on the forehead because I don't like a lot of makeup on my forehead. You guys, I get greasy, like oily throughout the day, and it be shining, and my forehead is big, and it just looks so bad. I look like a greasy mess. Oh, she cute. She's real cute. Let's do a little lip liner. We are taking a Love Bite by Morphe. Let's just do some Butter Gloss by NYX. Keep it simple. It's got like the best glosses, the best affordable glosses. And let's just apply a little bit of Diamond Milk on top. Now that's a cute combo, period. All right, guys, let's do a little spritz. Little spritz, let that dry down. And while that dried down, I'm just going to take my hair down, maybe find me a shirt, and I'll be right back. All right, you guys, my hair is down. I changed my shirt, and this is the final result. I hope that you had a good time with me today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and leave me some comments. Let me know, give me some advice, anything you want to tell me, just leave it down in the comment section and I will reply. I love you guys. Thank you for your support, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.